Now I'm gonna do something today that the BMW purists are probably not gonna like. Those folks out there are probably gonna cringe a little.
Oh my God, no!
But it's a quality of life thing.
Sure, Dan.
And I want to use this car. So we've got some headlight issues. These things are really dim. They're also not really facing the right direction. These are kind of pointed down.
It's just, you know.
Peter, I'm up here.
So we want to go ahead and fix our headlights so we can actually drive at night. These things seem to see about 6 foot in front of the car.
Boom. Roasted.
They just suck. So we're gonna replace those headlights with these, and we'll see how this goes. These should theoretically fit right into buckets, but we might have to modify them a little bit. Also, the other nice thing is these have the ring around them, which can go amber or white, so you can use them as turn signal markers, just like these.
These nuts.
We'll get these in there, see how they look. There are a grand total of 9 screws that you need to take out in order to take this front grille off. It is really pretty easy. Then all you have to do is take the trim rings off of the headlights in order for them to come out. Next, you have to remove the buckets, and I believe these are 1 bolt holding on each corner, so 4 bolts. They come out pretty simple, especially since I restored these recently, so they're totally rust free and they look pretty good. Here I had to use a Dremel to Dremel out just a little one of the pins that are on the actual headlight buckets for the car. And once I did that, these things slid right in there and they didn't move around. They looked pretty good. Wiring on this is super simple. The harnesses actually just fit right into the harness of the car. Now inevitably, it did throw a signal because these use a lot less power than the original headlights. So you can go on Amazon and for a couple of dollars you can get a resistor that you put in line for these headlights so that your car doesn't throw any sorts of codes or anything like that and everything works properly. Nice. There's one side in. They look pretty good. I really like how that looks. They're going to be a lot brighter too, so I can actually see to drive at night. And I know some people are gonna hate it though.
Sorry, folks. The moose out front should have told you.
These headlights weren't expensive lights, but they transform the safety at night, and I think they look pretty good. So why would I spend all this time and money on this beat up old 733 that's not worth anything? Well, it could only be for the love of cars. And I'm guessing if you're watching this, it's because you love old beaters like this too. So go find one that's sitting in a field or lost in a garage, or it's been sitting forever. Just get it back on the road. It's really not that hard. If I can do it, I know that you can too. My name is Michael Fire Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.